Reading the Mind in the Eyes Test, Original. This version had only 2 responses for the participants to choose from, 2 words presented per picture only. When the parents of the participants with AS, they too scored below the general population, as autism is also genetically interspersed. When the narrow range of the acquired responses, which were significantly above odds on the first testing, can lead to a score which lied in the normal range, being close to the ceiling of the test, lowering detection of participant variables. This version included both rudimentary and complex mental states, and some items were quite basic to detect, again increasing chances of closing it to ceiling effects. Some items could be solved very easily by just the direction of the gazes in the picture. This version had an increased ratio of female pictures, and this may have made it gynocentric unrepresentative to the general population. In this version, pairs of the words were always semantic opposites, for instance, reserved versus unreserved and bothered versus bothered, limiting the range of response from individuals and making the test too easy. In this revision, it was uncertain if there were comprehension problems with the words, which might have affected an individual score, because this included mapping the words to the picture. This is specifically concerning for individuals in the HFA group, where a language delay was probable. Reading the Mind in the Eyes Test, revised. The items on the test increased. No of pictures increased from 25 to 36. No of response options increased from 2 to 4, to effectively indicate participant variables and less chances of ceiling effects. The rectification showed that parents of individuals with AS also scored lower than the general population. The inclusion of both rudimentary and complex mental states now added in the complex states, which required to attribute intention or belief, so increase in validity. Now equal number of men and women's faces in revised version, thus eliminating risk of gender bias, but allowing to test gender differences. Gaze direction was sufficient to solve some items, noticing/ignoring, hence this part of the test was ruled out in the revision. Because target and foil words were too simple, the foils were designed in similar emotional valence as of the target words, which increased complexity. For example, ashamed/alarmed/anxious for serious. A glossary was included to assist the participants with linguistic insufficiency as reference, instead of having to map the words to the picture single-handedly. Get complete notes in PDF and book form from our Amazon store. Link given in description.